So guys, we're gonna let this sun go down. We're gonna get out here, we're gonna fire out a few rounds, and we're gonna see exactly how this thing functions in, well, at night. So give us a minute, we'll be right back. The sun has set, and we have our Olight here, guys. We're gonna do some testing here, and we're gonna run through these functions, but first, let's get a couple of rounds downrange. Well, woo! We like that.